Rescue workers in Myanmar reported on Thursday that they had recovered the bodies of at least 30 monks from the rubble of a monastery as the death toll from last week's powerful earthquake exceeded 3,000. Global aid organizations are urging international support and warning of potential disease outbreaks among displaced survivors living in the open.
Rescue workers in Myanmar say they have recovered the bodies of at least 30 monks who became trapped under the rubble of a monastery when a deadly earthquake struck the country last week. Aung Sithu Win is the leader of the volunteer rescue team.
I really want to cry as I am pulling out the dead bodies, but I have to stay strong and calm as a leader in front of my team.
The Mandalay monastery reportedly collapsed on student monks as they were taking an exam. Win says along with the dead, his team found several survivors who were now in hospital. He estimated about 30 bodies still remained under the rubble. The death toll in Myanmar surpassed 3,000 on Thursday, the ruling junta said. Global aid bodies now fear extreme heat and heavy rain could cause widespread disease among survivors camping outside in temperatures around 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Tents poured onto Mandalay streets after the quake, as many were too scared of aftershocks to go home. The World Health Organization flagged a risk of cholera in the worst affected areas, such as Mandalay, Sagaing, and the capital, Naypyidaw. Skin disease, malaria, and dengue are also a concern, the agency said. Damage to about half of the healthcare facilities in quake-hit areas worsens the risk.
I'm announcing today that
United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres on Thursday called for more international support and said his aid chief, Tom Fletcher, will be in Myanmar on Friday.
I appeal for rapid, safe, sustained and unimpeded humanitarian access to reach those most in need across the country.
Conditions could get tougher for the relief effort, as weather officials have warned that unseasonal rain is expected in the coming days and could threaten the hardest-hit areas. Despite the devastation, Junta Chief Min Aung Hlaing left his disaster-stricken country on Thursday for a rare trip to a regional summit in Bangkok. It is an uncommon foreign visit for a general seen as a pariah by many countries and the subject of Western sanctions and an international criminal court investigation.